Hi, welcome to GMST Solutions Private Limited Digital Learning. Today topic is how to create new EC2 instance and connect it to the local machine. So before going to start how to create EC2 instance, I hope everyone have the AWS Prettier account. If you don't have, please watch my previous video. I will keep inside the description the video link. Please watch it before going to start the EC2 instance. So after login to the EC2 the Amazon console. So how to create the EC2 instance step by step, we'll see now. Okay. So here, this is my dashboard. I have to log into the Amazon console. So you can see the console.aws.amazon. So if you go for the services, here you can find the compute. So if you click on the compute, so here you can identify the EC2 instance. Just click on the EC2 instance. So here the sidebar instances, just click on the instances. So here we have a few available already created instances in my account. So these are the things I have stopped and few terminated also. Now, if you want to create your own new instance, it is a new environment dashboard. So AWS console. So just you can see the right side top corner launch instances. Click on launch instances directly. So after clicking launch instances, so this is a window you will get it. So here the name of the instance you can give it, or default also you can take, no issue. So just I'm taking, so EC, or you can take Java example EC2, or you can take any name, unique name you can take it. So if you want to take it simple EC2, simple EC2, it's just simple. Any name is fine, so there is no restriction, you can take any name. Now a little bit come down, so here you can see the default available operating systems: Linux, Amazon Linux, and Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. If you want more instances also, you can select it. So this is a new EC2 creating dashboard. If you want to go for the old style, you can go for the old style also. So here you can select anyone. So I'm taking the either Amazon Linux or Mac OS or Ubuntu, Windows, anything you can take. So initially I'm selecting the Amazon Linux. Just select the Amazon Linux. So if you are feeling uncomfortable, so directly you can go for the launch instance, or if you want to give your own key pair, and if you want to create your own security group, so you can do it. So just a little bit downside, you can see the instance here pretty eligible. And if you want to modify your instance, so here we have the CPUs, so 1 GB, 2 GB, okay, family 2. If you want to go for the 2 CPUs, 4 GB, so 2 CPUs, 8 GB, which one you want, you can select it. So as of now, I'm taking the default one, so the free tier eligible, so I'm taking. And coming to the key value pair, just if you want to create the new key value pair, so just give the key name, and so default one and .pem file. So just create key pair, it will download. So maybe it is available in the download folder. So if it is not, so you have to give the password when we are connecting to the EC2 instance. So already I have the EC2 instance key pair. So previous one I'm selecting. So you can take any key pair. Okay. So just I'm taking it. So anyone which one. So GMST Java is my existed security key. That's a key pair. And coming to the network settings, here if you want to create your own security group, you can click on edit and you can create it. Otherwise, if you want to go for the default security groups and just give the allow HTTP ports, just give the HTTP ports. And if you want to create the your own security group, so just give the security group name here, the group name. And so here is the default port numbers, security groups available. And if you want to add any rules, you can add it. So as of now, I'm taking the default thing for connecting to the EC2 instance to the local machine. So just take it. Okay. Next, if you want to configure any So the database says if you want any data 8 GB or 9 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB, you can take it. Okay, so how much you want the size of the data, so you can select it. So just done it. So after selecting the HTTP traffic color, then you can go for the simply launch instance. Just launch instance. Just click on the link, successfully launched your EC2 instance. So here it is taking time to execute your EC2 instance. So it is pending. It will take few seconds only, not more than that. So running. Now just select your instance, and you can see the what are the available configurations you have done previously. See what is the security keys, key value pair. So these are to the key pair is the GMS to Java. So what is the platform Linux and Unix? So public DNS. So this all it is working fine. Now if you want to connect to the your instance, so we have the different ways to connect our local machine to the EC2 instance remotely. So this is the one way. Another step and is SSH client and EC2 serial console. So the easiest way I am using the SSH client is the simple way to connect our local machine. Just copy this command. So where you downloaded your EC2 key value pair, there is a key pair. So in my system I have the download folder. So here I have the n number of EC2 instances. There's a key pairs, test1.pm, test1.java, gms to java, testdic. So open the terminal, give the path up to downloads folder, then execute this command. Just copy and execute the command. So just I'm taking the terminal here. Cd desk downloads. Paste the command. So it's executed successfully. Next, if you want to connect to the EC2 instance, so here you can see the connect to your instance using its public DNS. So this is example. Just copy this command, just copy paste and enter. So just enter yes. Now you can see the Amazon Linux is connected to a local machine. And if you want to install any Java or any other softwares, you can download it. As of now, there is nothing. So the Java command not found. If you want to install that, we can install all the softwares. So this is a successful command to connect to your remote EC2 instance, Amazon Linux 2023 for. So that's it. So thank you for watching video. And if you have any questions, please drop your comment in comment box.